Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a collection video. This is going to be a 1-month collection, and our first location is going to have snack machine only. We filled this up not too long ago, and look at what happened to one of our pastries.
Weird. Alright, let's open it up, see what we got.
Hey guys, today we have a competition between the locations for which location will make the most money in 1 month. Leave your answer in the comments and we will make a short in a few days with the results.
I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Hey guys, right now we are at location number 2. This is a snack and drink combo machine, and we filled it up recently, so we're only going to do the collection.
I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Alright guys, we're at our third and final location, and this location has 2 vending machines, 1 full drink and 1 combo machine. To make things fair, we're going to do the combo machine only, so that it's fair for the challenge. Alright, let's get started. And this is the one we are not going to do in the competition. So let's count the money. Alright guys, we made it back home and we're about to count our money from the locations. This is location 1, location 2, location 3. We will not be counting this one because it was in the drink machine that was at the 3rd location. Just for a quick reminder, if you want to leave your answer on which location out of these 3 you think will have the most money, put it in the comments down below and we'll make a short in a few days with the answer.